Good evening. So it seems that I made up my mind already. So I will stop na in doing daily vlog without a specific content. Yeah. Kasi it is so draining. Drain ako. Ang hirap. So maybe I will just make a vlog na if I have a content, like something to talk about. Like I'm thinking now, I will make a vlog about the pros and cons, or what are the things that I like in using an iPhone. So yun, kasi ang hirap talaga, nadidrain ako, tapos nakakapagod din. And pag magbibideo siguro ako is yun na lang din, focus na lang ako sa patay yung video para makapagawa ng shorts din dito sa YouTube. More interest na lang. Tapos, ganun din sa, or pwede rin, pwede naman kasi dito na ganun yung video. So, yun. Para isahan na lang din kasi nag-video ako for YouTube, tapos may video pa ako for Facebook. So, ngayon isahin ka na lang, patayin na lang siguro kasi yun yung mas maganda sa Facebook. So, yan. So, yun lang for this is the last day, last vlog that I'm doing the daily vlog challenge. So, kukumpletuhin ko lang yung 8 minutes for this. Then, this will be the last about it. So, yung mga next vlog ko will be about na specific topic. So, hindi na ako mag-upload ng everyday. Pero, hopefully, I can upload at least once a week, something like that. Then, siguro yung content na yun, may value. Kasi siguro nga, wala din naman talagang value yung ginagawa ko, like everyday vlogging. Parang wala siyang value. So, pinagod ko lang yung sarili ko. But anyway, at least I had tried. Kasi, iniisip ko din dati yun. Because, there are some that are advising me, or there is someone that advises me na mag-daily vlogging ako. And, iniisip ko rin naman yun. So, yeah, maybe I should try. I should give a try. And also in myself, I know that I will not know if I will not try it. So, yun. I don't regret naman doing daily vlog. Because at least I had found out, diba? At least I don't have a regret that I did not do this. So, if I did not do it, there will always be a time that I will think, what if I do the daily vlogging? Would it help me in my vlogging? So, yun. So, at least I have found out na it's not for me, because, it put my channel down, like in the view percentage over swipe. So, pinababa niya talaga from 45 to 39. So, ngayon hindi ko siya na-check kung ilan na. Hindi ko pa siya na-check. Pero yun niya, ang hina talaga lalo na yung shorts ko, sumama din. So, it went down. So, yun. Okay na ako. Sa daily vlogging ko, I don't have what tips na. Yeah, kasi that is one thing that is also hard. Diba? Yung what ifs natin sa buhay. And yay! So, okay na din. At least, calm down na ako. I will not pressure myself anymore about it. Kasi na-try ko na. And then, my eyes is also a bit tired na din of that daily vlogging. Imagine, mag-vlog ka. Tapos gabi-gabi mag-edit ka. So tiring. So, I think, this would be my final advice. It would be hard if you will do it, especially if you have a full-time job. Well, you can do it if you don't have a job like the whole day. You can do it. If you're only focusing on your vlogging, you don't have a job, you can do it. But for me that have a job, it's very difficult. But at least I made it for 1 month. I made it for 1 month. So, yun. I have nothing to say. So, yun yung mag-advise ko. Kung wala kang ginagawa, mag-focus ka lang sa pag-vlog, yun yung do it. Oh my God, umulan na. Ang lakas ng ulan. So, maulan pa din. Paunti-unti, umulan pa din ito sa amin. Even if it's March already. Maulan pa ba? The school year. Hanggang ngayon, maulan pa. So, yun. Kung yun nga, kung focus mo na sa mag-vlog ka na everyday. Bigyan mo na ng time talaga kasi wala ka naman ibang ginagawa, diba? So, yun. Kung you can do it, then do it. Kaso, yun nga din, mahirap din talaga kasi wag hindi ka naman nag-click yung videos mo, wala. Lugi ka. Same here. Lugi na din ako. Pero, kapag may mga vlog naman ako na tinitingin ko, so, na parang, hindi rin naman. Kasi parang, yeah, you have saved those things na mahalaga din. Nakikita mo pa. Kasi kung hindi ako nag-vlog, hindi ko na yung makikita. Like yung mga celebration namin ng Christmas, celebration ng birthday, ganyan. So, nandito siya. Makikita ko siya. So, yun yung yun yung pinaka-positive niya. Kasi kung sa earnings talaga, lugi pa ako. Because I spent money for my channel. Pero wala din. Hindi. That's why I'm not doing it to my Facebook channel. Kasi may mga nag-offer ng pa-post daw ganyan. I will not do it. Because I have done it in YouTube. So, I will not repeat the same mistake again. Hindi naman siya nakakatulong talaga. Because it's not organic. So, we need to have an organic audience, organic views, para it will continue. Because if we will just stay, then we will stop paying. Wala, hindi rin. So, we will just still start from the bottom. So, better not to. So, yun lang. I still need 1 more minute pa. And just a piece of advice din. I will not advise vlogging talaga na as a sort of if you want to earn money. Hindi siya ganun. For me sa akin, hindi siya ganun ka-effective. Mahirap. Siguro, yung wala talaga, yung walang gagawin. Pero if you have still the chance to find other things, other way to elevate your life, the status of your life, then do it. So, yung paghanap talaga ng trabaho sa labas, abroad, it's good thing. Kung yun talaga yung hanap mo. I haven't tried it, pero parang diba, yun naman talaga. Tapos yun nga, magtrabaho ka, maghanap ka ng trabaho na may mataas na bayad. Yun yung pinaka way. Pero sa akin, in my case, yung vlogging, hindi naman siya nakatulong sa akin. Talaga lang ako. Kaya, don't do it. Don't do it kung ito lang talaga. Kung dito ka lang din magre-rely. Because it's hard. Or maybe I just don't have that X factor that they are saying. Or this isn't just my destiny. Something like that. So, yun. My daily vlogging is now officially signing off. Bye. So that's it for vlog. Just be happy, be positive, and get less.